Lee's journey to learn English. Once upon a time, in a bustling city in China, lived a young boy named Lee. Lee was fascinated by languages and had a strong desire to learn English, a language spoken by people from all around the world. Every day after school, Lee would rush home to practice his English. He would sit at his desk, surrounded by English books and a notebook. He started by learning simple greetings and basic vocabulary words. To improve his pronunciation, Lee would watch English movies and listen carefully to the actors' voices. He would repeat the phrases, trying his best to mimic their accents. Sometimes, he would even sing along to English songs, learning new words and phrases in a fun way. Lee was determined to practice speaking English, so he joined a language exchange club at his school. He made friends with students from different countries who were also learning Chinese. Together, they practiced speaking English and helped each other improve. As time went on, Lee's English skills grew stronger. He could now hold conversations with people from different parts of the world. He even dreamt of becoming an interpreter one day, bridging the gap between cultures. Lee's dedication and hard work paid off, and his English improved greatly. He became an inspiration to his friends and classmates, showing them that with determination and practice, they too could achieve their language learning goals.